Problem number 5 is pretty similar to a lot of the problems that you'll see on the AP test each year. There's not a lot of work to be done, so we're just going to kind of reason through this problem verbally here. It says if f is a continuous function on the interval a to b, which of the following must be true? So letter A says there exists a c value on a to b such that f of c is between a and b. F of c doesn't need to be between a and b. Really, that key word for this problem is that must be true, so we're going to go ahead and get rid of that. C doesn't need to be between B and A, with B being less, or f of B being less than f of A. So choice B can be eliminated as well. There exists some C on A to B such that f of C equals 0. There's nothing that tells us that that output value at C has to be 0, so we're going to get rid of that choice. There exists some C value between A and B such that f of C is less than or equal to f of x for all x on the interval A to B. This choice I really like. That's just saying that that f of c is going to be less than all the other f of x's. Graphically speaking, if we just had some curve, say we had it from A over here to B, that means that there must be some minimum value at C. In other words, there's a minimum somewhere in that interval, that minimum occurring at x equals c with an output value of f of c. Every function is going to have some minimum, even if it's a linear function, even if it's a horizontal function, we're still going to have a minimum value there. So D is going to be our choice.